Hi guys, welcome to Open Sky. So today we are going to draw giraffe. So let's get started. First of all, we draw curved line and two circles here. And draw we U shape. Straight line, a straight line. And then join this point to this point and draw another curve here. So we are getting in the downward direction and then like this and then a straight line here and a curve in it. It's another feet and here also a other feet. Small circles here from neck to leg. A tail, a leaf-like structure here and two lines and circle over it. Draw two circles for eyes. Draw a little circle in it and fill this carefully. So guys, we draw its eyebrows and small circle here and there. And its cute smile. So guys, if you like my drawing, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos. Thank you.